So guys, Rayyan here, one more LeetCode game video has been came on this channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 622 by the name of design circular queue. So yeah, we are solving this question in today's video, and there's a little bit bigger question. If you see the codes of this question, there is little bit bigger, and here there's a medium one question which we are solving, and total 7,56,000 people have submitted it, and only 3,99,694 has been accepted, and acceptance is 52.8%, and there is not any hint are included. In a previous question, if you see, there are 3 hint are already included, so but we wouldn't view the hint, okay, because we have solved it easily, okay, so that's why we do not need to see the hint, okay. But anyways, let's just to solve the 622 question. Anyways, so now let's move to computer screen. Let's try to solve this amazing question in the Python 3, okay. And now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Let's show today's video. In today's video, we are solving over 622 question by the name of design circular cube. So first of all, we understand the question and the answer both are bigger, okay. So now let's start to solve this question. Now it has been designed your implementation of the circular queue. The circular queue is a linear data structure in which the operations are performed based in FIFO, means first in first out principle, and the last position is connected back to the first position to make a circle. It is also called brink buffer. One of the benefits of the circular cube is that we can use the spaces in front of the cube. In a normal cube, once the cube becomes full, we cannot insert the next element even if there is a space in front of the cube. But using a circular cube, we can use the space to store new values. Implement the mass circular queue class. First, mass circular queue initializes the object with the size of the queue to be k. Number 2, in front gets the front or item from the queue if the queue is empty, return -1. Number 3, int rear, it gets the last item from the queue if the queue is empty, return -1. Number 3, boolean, in queue int value inserts an element into the circular queue, return true if the operation is successful. Now number 5, boolean dequeue, it deletes an element from the circular queue, it returns true if the operation is successful. Now number second last, boolean is empty, it checks whether the circular queue is empty or not. Last one, not least, boolean is full, checks whether the circular queue is full or not. You must solve the problem without using the built-in queue data structure in your programming language. There is only one example that has been included. Here you get one mass circular in queue, rear is full, dequeue, in queue and rear, and which he written on 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, square bracket, 4 and square bracket. Output null, true, false, 3, true and false, 4. Explanation. It I mean also give you explanation. Means that my circular queue equals to new circular queue 3, my circular queue dot enq return true, like this, okay. And there are the 3 constraints it has been also been included, which it has been given you, okay. So now let's start to solve this question in the LeetCode website. So first of all, here we are. So now let's start to solve it. We are solving this 622, and total 7,56,000 people have submitted it, and only 3,99,000 people has accepted, and total acceptance is 52.8%, and total 4 topic has been included: array, linkage, design, and queue. There is not any hint are also be included. So they have made up a question. So let's start to solve this question, and there's a little bit bigger question which we are solving, okay. 50 line of codes we want to write. So first of all, define class queue node def init self comma vl equals to 0 comma next equals to none comma prev equals to none, self equals to val self.next equals to next, self.pref equals to pref. Enter. Class my circular q def init self comma k, k is one integer, self dot count equals to 0, self dot size equals to k, self dot q equals to none. Perfect. Def in q self comma value int minor greater than bool. If self dot count greater than equals to self dot size, return false, new q equals to q node value. Enter. If not, self dot q and then self dot q equals to new q, self dot q one more time equals to new q. Okay, define your else statement in which you define pref q equal to self dot now pref q dot next equals to new q. Perfect. Back self dot equals to new q. Perfect. Now we have written a little bit more code here we write it now. So now let's see the running code. Let's run this code. So now the running code has been error has been given you in the code. So let's see what the error. Okay, sorry. Okay, what happening? Let's zoom it. Okay. Let's do this. Now let's revise the code. False. Now let's run it. Now it has been accepted. Now last thing to submit this code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code has been also be accepted. I beat 5.54% people. So now let's paste this. I'm posting the solution. Now let's paste the solution. Okay, I think we did not post this solution. Now anyways, so here we go. In today's video we saw question number 622 by the name of design circular queue. So if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And one more thing I want to tell you that come on to my channel by the name of Rayyan, and you have completed 4,500 subscribers. So thank you for it. And see my all videos of the LeetCode camp. Come on the playlist. Come on this master LeetCode camp playlist. So access playlist and bookmark it, and you have successfully completed 131 views on this playlist. So please complete 500 views as soon as possible. But anyways, let's meet in the next video and next very amazing video. So for today, goodbye.